Cybercrime targeting senior citizens is an increasingly common issue where fraudsters take advantage of the victim's lack of familiarity with technology, trust in communication on platforms such as WhatsApp, and their possible isolation or vulnerability. I'm sharing with you an incident that one of our senior clients suffered just last week and how prompt action helped him salvage part of the losses incurred. The fraudster hacked into the client's relative's WhatsApp account by sending her a WhatsApp code. She erroneously shared the code on call with him, who then got complete access not only to her contact list but the history of her WhatsApp messages. Post which the fraudster sent out WhatsApp messages to many on her contact list asking for small amounts of money. Our senior citizen client innocently believed the message and transferred a small amount through UPI to his relative. Once the fraudster received this amount, he asked for more, which our client again transferred. The fraudster, for the third time, asked from our client more money, a larger sum, which finally made our client suspicious. Our client tried calling the said relative's number, but obviously the call was not answered even after several attempts. Then our client reached out to other family members who informed him that the said relative's WhatsApp account was hacked and the fraudster had duped many on her contact list. Our client immediately called us seeking help, and our timely actions helped our client. With this video, we would like to help all of you too. First, we got our client's bank to issue a no debit instruction. Thus, the balance funds in his account were safeguarded. This can be done with your bank via phone banking and reconfirm the same via an email. We then dialed 1930. I repeat, 1930, the national helpline number. The police call the first 3 hours after the scam as golden hours, and there are over 90% chances of the funds being tracked down and put on hold. When you dial 1930, keep the following information handy: name of the victim, amount defrauded, from which bank, transaction ID of the transfer, and the local police station. Once this call was completed, our client received a message stating his grievance had been registered and was asked to register the complaint details on a portal within 24 hours. We assisted our client to complete the procedure within 24 hours. Our client received another message informing him that 60% of his funds had been put on hold and he was required to follow due procedure for the recovery of the same. A FIR was duly registered against the fraudster, and our client proceeded to make an application in court for return of property. How to protect our senior citizens from these scams? Education. Teach seniors to be cautious about unsolicited messages, especially those that seem urgent or ask for money. Encourage them to verify any request through a trusted method by calling the family friend or member. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable two-factor authentication on important accounts like WhatsApp to provide an extra layer of security. Don't share personal information. Remind them not to share personal information like bank details, passwords, or WhatsApp codes over WhatsApp or any other messaging platform. Reporting suspicious messages. Advise seniors to report suspicious messages to WhatsApp or relevant authorities. WhatsApp allows users to report and block numbers. Fraud prevention helplines. Inform them about local fraud prevention agencies or government services that can assist if they suspect they had been scammed. If you or someone you know is concerned about falling victim to such scams, it is essential to act swiftly within 3 hours, the golden hours, by reporting the incident and seeking assistance from local authorities or cybersecurity experts.